Hello, boys and girls. Here we are in lesson 147 for math. It is our last math lesson of this week. Remember, we only have 3 days this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever days mom's deciding. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever it is. But this is our last math for a Monday, okay? Now, here we go. We are going to do some review. We're going to play a new game. Boys, are you better than the girls? Girls, are you way smarter than the boys? You know what? It'd be so much funner if we were all here in class together. But guess what? We're not. We're going to try our best, okay? Play along with Mrs. Kraft. You never know what's going to happen. But before we do that, let's do some review. We have a test coming up. That's right. Tomorrow is our test. We need to do good thinking today, good practicing. So when it comes time for our test, we're ready to do our work. Are you ready? What? You say? Yes. Did you notice? We are on a different side of the room. Mrs. Kraft had to clean up my room. I had our table over there, okay, across the room. This is our seat work right beside us. Do you see where our seat work used to be? See what it says? Seat work? Yeah, used to be right there. No more seat work. Okay, and I cleaned up the whole room. You want to see the room? Well, sure, I can probably do that. Hang on for a minute. Let me see if I can unplug this for a second. Oop, it got a little bit darker, but I think you're okay. Let me see if I can spin this around and you can see. Do you miss it? Do you miss our room? Look at, there's everybody's desks. There's our back of the room. There's our owls all the way around. Yeah. Am I making you dizzy by going too fast? I hope not. Yes, there's cereal left. Whoop, maybe I was holding it too high. Did you see over there? Maybe that was the problem. Mrs. Kraft can't see from behind. That's right. So there is our room, and we are back to the beginning again. Well, guess what? We had our room all cleaned up because they are making a video for our school. That's right. Mrs. Hamilton and Miss Hamilton and whoever else is smart like that technology-wise. Let's get us plugged in here so I can brighten up again. There we go. Now we're bright. And you know what? They are making a video of our school so people can see what our school is like. This would be the time of year where we have families come in and look over our school. But guess what? We're not here, are we? So they are going to make a video and they'll put it out on probably Facebook and on our school website and that kind of stuff. And then people can look us up. You might see some pictures of people and places that you recognize. So here we go. Are you ready for today? I think we're going to do, let's do a review. Then we'll play our game. Okay? Okay, get your brains on. Okay, girls and guys, here we go. I have some numbers on my little board. Okay. Whoop, I just wiped off my little bubble. That's okay. I have numbers on my board. I am looking for mixed numbers. Oh, somebody's behind my head. Who is that right there? Yeah, look what she's saying. Remember to do your speed drills. Are you remembering to do your speed drills? They count as part of your grade. Yeah, they do. So do your best. Mrs. Kraft is checking them. It's much more fun. Not funner. Funner isn't a word, and I used that a little bit ago. Don't tell on me. It's much more fun if we were here in school and checking them together. Mrs. Kraft is going through them all and checking them, and you are doing an awesome job. That's right. Where's my little bell? I need to ring. That's right. You are doing a wonderful, wonderful job. Okay, back to what I started to say. I am looking for mixed numbers. Do you remember what a mixed number is? I'm not going to review it. Let's see if you can think that through. I'm going to call on, let's see, Layla. Layla, can you find a mixed number here? Of all these numbers, which one is a mixed number? Okay, she said she found one. I hope this is the one she found. Layla, was this the one you found? Right. 3.5 is a mixed number. It has a fraction and a whole number. Okay, Calvin, can you find me a mixed number? I need one more mixed number. Can you find one? Good job. Calvin said 13 2/3 is a mixed number. It's a whole number and a fraction. Now, let's see, Kendall, can you help me make 3/4 into a mixed number? What do I need to add to 3/4 to make a mixed number? Remember, a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. This is a little tricky. Can you get it from far away? Right, I need to add a whole number. Pick any number. I don't know if this is your number, but I think she said I don't know if she's right or not. If I'm right or not. She's always right. Mrs. Kraft is the one who's wrong. I put 8 and 3/4, so that made this a mixed number. It's a whole number plus a fraction. Good job. Okay, now, where am I going to put this? I only have my big table. I just have my little table that we used to teach on up here in the front. We're going to make this work today. After getting our room all cleaned up, I didn't want to mess it up anymore. Okay, we're going to do some adding of numbers horizontal, but we are going to round the numbers and estimate our answer. Okay, are you ready to do that? Oh, good, we can see this right here. Okay, let's go back to Kendall since I didn't let Kendall really have a fair answer because it could have been any whole number. Kendall, can you help me with 43? What does 43 round to? Does it round to 40 or to 50? What is it going to round to? Remember, the 3 in the ones place is going to be the number that tells me what I'm going to do. That's correct. It's going to round to 40. Nice job, Kendall. Because 3 is on the low side. Remember, 1, 2, 3. It's on the low side, so I am going to round down. Remember anything? Oh, I'm not going to tell you the next one. Let's see if Lucas can help me. Lucas, what is 16 going to round to? What is 16 going to round to? Is 16 going to go to 10 or to 20? 10 or 20? Got to look at this 6. The 6 is my number that's going to help me. It's going to go to 20. That's right. Oh, I don't want my answer there. Sorry about that, Lucas. I'm looking backwards. 20. That's right. So the reason it's going to go to 20 is because 6 is higher than 5. Remember, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is all going higher. Okay, now I need to know what 40 plus 20 is. Let's go to Hunter. Hunter, what's 40 plus 20? Yeah, 40 plus 20 is 60. Whoops, you can't see that over there, can you? 60. Good job. So our estimated answer is 60. Do you want to do the real answer, see how close we are? Okay, let's do that. Abel, what is 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 is, yep, it's 9. Okay, and let's go to Quen. Quen, what's 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1 is, yeah, it is 5. Our answer was 59, and look what our estimated answer was. 60. We did an awesome job. Fantastic. You did not forget all that. Great. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the next one. I'm losing papers here, so I'm going to move some things around. Let's see if I can raise this up higher. I'm just going to have to hold this guy. Okay, I'm going to try my best. If I go down low, you let me know. Oh, I made a rhyme. Isn't that funny? Okay, let's go to Ella. Ella, 29. Is 29 closer to 20 or to 30? She knew that one right off the bat. I heard her say 30. Good job. Because 9 is way closer to 30 than it is to 20. Okay, Caleb, what about 11? Is 11 closer to 10 or to 20? Closer to 10 or 20? Which one? Remember, if I'm going too fast, hit that pause button, okay? It is closer to 10. Nice job. Now we need to do some adding. Okay, Benjamin, what is 30 plus 10? 30 plus 10, Benjamin, is, yep, it's easy. It is 40. You want to check again? I heard somebody say, let's see how close we are. Okay, are you ready? Let's go to Adeline. Adeline, can you help me? What is 1 plus 9? 1 plus 9 is? It's 10, so I'm going to put down my 0, and I'm going to carry my 1 above my 2. Okay, let's go to Kellen. Kellen, what is 1 plus 2 plus 1? 1 plus 2 plus 1. Hey, Kellen. Awesome job. Guess what? 40 and 40. We were right on the money. Yay! Great job. Okay, we're moving right along today. Okay, are you ready to play a game? Are you ready to think? This is boys against the girls. Here's what's going to happen. Oh, here they are. Mrs. Kraft couldn't find my basket of goodness. Okay, inside my basket, I'll show you what's inside my basket. All kinds of bubblegum pieces. You like that bubblegum, don't you? I actually thought about going to the little store and buying more bubblegum for everybody. Would that be a good idea? Yeah, and popcorn? Yeah, I think you like those two things, don't you? Hey, you'll be popping everywhere. Popping bubbles, and popping popcorn. That sounds fun, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm going to pick a bubble from here when it's the girls' turn. And if they find the answer up there, they get to put it up. We're going to set the timer because we could play this for forever. But we're going to set a timer for 3 minutes. And whoever has the most bubblegum pieces up there, they're the winners. Maybe it'll be a tie. We'll have to see. Are you ready? Okay. I'm not going to look. Remember, I'm just going to put my hand up and take one out. I have my trusty, dusty timer, 3 minutes. Are you ready? I have little pieces of tape here to put on our bubbles. I think I can reach everything. Mrs. Kraft is sliding out of this chair. I think we can do it. Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. Okay, here we go. Shall ladies go first? Yes. Okay, so let's start the timer. Timer started. Okay, ladies, this is for Madison. Madison. Ooh, big number, Madison. What is 19 minus 0? That's easy. What is it, Madison? Don't tell her the answer. That's right. 19. Madison, do the girls have any 19s up here? They don't. Sorry, you don't get to put your bubblegum up. Okay, boys. This is a big one. This is for Roman. Roman, what is 18 minus 16? 18 minus 16. Count up. And the answer is 2. Boys, do you have any 2? They don't have any 2s. The girls needed that one. This is not working out very good. Okay, who's next? Adeline. Adeline, are you ready? Oh, Adeline. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Girls, you finally got one up. Yay! Okay, girls. Girls have 1 point. 1 bubble gum up there. Okay, boys, are you ready? Here's the next one. Brady, this one's yours. Okay. Brady. Ooh, this is a big one, but Brady's a math meister. Here you go. Are you ready? 20 minus 11. 20 minus 11. Brady, can you count up? Hit the pause button if you need extra time. And the answer is 9. Boys have a 9 over there. 1-1's the score. Okay, good job. Oh, put that guy way over there. Okay, girls. Oh, we only have a minute and a half. We might have to give ourselves an extra minute. Okay, girls, we want everybody to have a turn. Ella, what is 17 minus 7? 17 minus 7. She said that's easy. That is 10. Girls, do you have a 10? Girls have a 10. Good job, girls. Okay, here we go. Okay. Boys, after Brady is Abel. Okay, Abel. Oh, Abel, this is an easy one. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 15. Boys, do you have a 15? You do. The score is 2-2. This is great. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, Quen. Are you ready, Quen? Okay, here we go. Quen, 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Count up. 6, 7, 8. And the answer is 9. Great job. And guess what? Girls have a 9. Nice job. Okay, boys. Here's my boy. We did Abel. Calvin. Okay, Calvin, are you ready? Calvin, here we go. 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4. And the answer is, yes, it's 12. Boys have a 12. This is growing great. 3-3 is the score. Okay, girls, let's go. Girls, oh my, guess what? The timer's going to go. Hurry, girls, okay? It is Kendall's turn. Oh, Kendall, we're going to put on more time. I think we need more time. Don't you need more time? Let's go. You want to do 2 more minutes? Yeah, let's do 2 more minutes. Everybody needs a turn. Okay, I'm starting again. 2 minutes. Mrs. Kraft wasn't sure how long this would really take us, okay? Okay, Kendall, here's yours. Kendall, super simple. 1 plus 1 is, she said it, 2. The girls have a 2. This is exciting. Okay, boys, let's go fast. Boys, next one is Lucas. Lucas, okay? Oh, boy, Lucas. Whoa! Lucas, Mrs. Kraft dropped her. Sorry. 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1. And the answer is 17. Oh, the girls needed that one. It's not the boys. Okay, let's go to the next person. That is Madison. Okay, Madison. Whoop, I just lost one. He rolled right through the edges. My thing has holes in it. Madison, 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2. Take 16, take 2 away, and the answer is 14. Do the girls have a 14? Uh-oh, girls, you're pulling ahead. Girls have 5. Boys only have 3. Okay, let's see who's next. Hunter got a free choice. He can cover any number. Which number you want to cover, Hunter? Which one do you want to do? You want to do the 19? Okay, we'll do the 19. Okay, Hunter, good job. Okay, who's next on the girls? It is Adeline. Adeline, let's see if we can go. We only have 44 seconds. Adeline, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is, that's right, it's 5. And you have a 5 right here. Boys, come on, the score. We need boys. Okay, Caleb, this one's yours. Caleb, okay? Caleb? Oh, Caleb, 16 minus 5. 16, take away 5. Use your fingers if you need. That's right, count up or count back. Did you need more time? Okay, you got it? 11. Okay, boys, hurry quick. Hurry. We got to get one more girl. Okay, here we go. Okay, and here we go. Oh, my goodness, we got to hurry. It's the girl's turn. Okay, Adeline. Did I just do Adeline or did I do Madison? Oh, no. Ella, Adeline, somebody answer this one. What is 11 minus 8? 11 minus... Oh, okay, hold on a minute. 11 minus 8 is 9, 10. 3 is the answer. We don't have any 3. The boys had a 3. Because the girls started, we're going to let the boys have one more pick. Kellen, this one is yours. Are you ready, Kellen? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the girls. Kellen, you need to get one that is on your side. Are you ready to tie the game up? Okay, Kellen, here's my basket. You tell me when to pick. This one, this one. Which one do you want? This one? Kellen, you got a free choice. You got another one. That's right. It doesn't matter where we put it because guess what? Oh, something just fell off. Mrs. Kraft just took a dive. Let's put it on the 10. Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the girls. It is a tie. Do you want to do this again tomorrow? I love this game. I think it's really fun. Did you have fun? Yeah. Some of you played this before when we were at school. On the floor, you had all those bubblegum pieces spread out. We have lots more bubblegum in here. Tomorrow, maybe we can do this again. Okay? Okay. We'll have to get different boards because you already know the answers up there and different pieces of bubblegum. But we can do it. Uh-oh, Mrs. Kraft took a nosedive. Where did I go? Oh, here I am. Poor Mrs. Kraft. Are you taking me on adventures? I hope so. Let's see. Hunter's hat introduced me to Vac-Man. Gwen took me for a drive. Kendall introduced me to Gracie. Her cat didn't eat me. Let's see. The guinea pigs didn't eat me at Adeline's. Nico, Layla's dog didn't eat me either. That gave me a face washing, though. That was good. Let's see. Lucas, I haven't heard from Calvin or Lucas. Hunter showed me his new fort. He added more things to it. Caleb has taken me all kinds of places and done things. Let's see. Benjamin, he showed me his kitty too. I actually got to go right where the kitty sleeps. Kellen, I haven't seen anything from you yet. Madison, she made brownies with me the other day. I made brownies with her. She was the person doing all the work. Good job. And they were delicious. That's right. Roman, I haven't seen. Brady, his grandma, I thought it was Japanese takeout. His grandma made it from scratch. She is an amazing grandma. That's right. Good job, Brady. It was delicious. Adeline's showing me her guinea pigs. Let's see. Ella, let's see. Ella, did we go on the trampoline? That's right. We did go on the trampoline together, didn't we? And Gwen took me driving. Let's see. Gwen drove all by herself while Mommy was in the back taping. But she did the steering and everything. Wonderful job. Abel. Yep, Kendall, Layla. Yeah, I think we got it. So this is the last week to take me on an adventure. I can't wait to see where I end up. Okay. Have we had enough fun today? Are you ready for more? Let's see. We have a board full of work that needs to be done today. Guess what we're learning today? Are you ready? We are learning a 3 times family. That's right. We are learning the 3 times family. I have been waiting for this moment. This is so exciting. And guess what? Next year when you get to 3rd grade, you already know your zeros. You already know your 1s. You already know your 5s. You already know your 10s. And you already know your 3s. We're working on them today. 2s. We didn't even say the 2s. 0s, 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s, and now our 3s. You are halfway done with those numbers. Okay, let's do this real quick. Just a reminder, Mrs. Kraft put the note up there about speed drills. Don't forget to do your speed drill for Mrs. Kraft. All right, there it is. Me and my stuff everywhere. You know how that goes. Let's get rid of those timers so it doesn't beep off on us. Don't forget to do your speed drill. Okay, I'm not worried about the coloring as much as I am worried about the numbers on the back. Keep up with this. You are doing a wonderful job. I wish we were here in class so I could give you high fives and pat you on the back and give you candy on box number 4. But just remember to keep up with your speed drills, okay? This one today is going to be the first one with a camper. Do you have a camper? Does anybody in here have a camper and like to go camping? My friend Debbie, back in Maryland where I used to live, she loves to go camping. She sent me a message just last week that said, I can't wait. Camp is actually getting ready to open up. We have to stay apart from each other. She said, but I still get to go with her. She has a big camper and she goes out there and sits in the woods and reads. And she likes to go down to the lake and look at the bugs and the fish and the birds that are there. Camping is so exciting. And you get to roast marshmallows. Yum. I love a roasted marshmallow, don't you? Good. Well, let's talk about the front of our paper first, okay? On the front of our paper today, it says, mark the circle under the correct mixed number. We just practiced mixed numbers. Remember, a mixed number has to be what? Can you tell me? A whole number plus a fraction. So let's look at the first picture, okay? Let's count how many whole circles we have. 1, 2, 3. How many part? That's right. We only have one that's partially. And how many parts does that circle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 is going to be on the bottom because we have 4 parts to our circle. How many parts are colored on that last circle? How many parts are colored right there? That's right, 1. So I'm looking for the fraction that says 3 and 1/4. So does this one say 3 and 1/4? No, that's 2 and 2/4. Does that one say 3 and 1/4? It does. What does the last one say? 3 and 3/4. This is 3 and 3/4 is gone, but I want the part that's colored. So I am going to color in the one in the middle. Would you do that too with Mrs. Kraft? Okay, that's right. You do the last one on your own. I know you can do this. Roman numerals. Let's talk about a few that get us confused. Here's our Roman numerals up here. Do you remember the letter I is 1? V is what? 5. That's right. X is 10. L, way up here, L is 50. C is 100. They forgot to put D on the chart, so we wrote it in. Remember, D is 500, and M is 1,000. When a smaller number comes in front of a bigger number, we're going to subtract. We're going to take it away. When a smaller number comes after the number, we're going to add it. We're going to plus it. Okay? We're going to do a few together, a few of the hard ones, and then you're going to do the rest by yourself. Okay? I think you can do this just fine. We know what 1 is. We know that one. Let's go over here on the top row. Let's pick the hardest one. You want to pick 2? Okay. So let's do, Caleb, can you tell me what VII is? The second one over. VII. VII. What is that one? That is 7. V6, 7. That's all right. 5, 6, 7. So you're going to write a 7 beside it. Okay, good job. Okay, let's go down to Kellen. Kellen, let's go next door to the XI. What does XI stand for? X is 10 and I is 1. So what is it? That's correct. It is 11. Well, that was really easy. Did you get that one? Okay, let's look on the second row. Which one's another hard? We know how to do that one. You want to do this big Y? Okay, let's go to Madison. Madison, XVI. XVI is, X is 10, V is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17. Good job, Madison. Hey, look, that's a 7 and a 17. How about that? Okay. You want to do this one here? The IX? Yeah, we have to think. This one up here was XI. Now the I is in front, so we're going to subtract. Let's do Roman. Roman, IX. So we know X is what? X is 10. The I is in front, so we're going to take away. 10 minus 1, Roman is? Yes, it is 9. Okay. I think the rest of these you can probably do on your own. You say you want to help with these two? Okay, we'll do 2 more and that's all because I want to see how you can do them. Okay, Brady, what is IV? IV. Remember, I is in front, so we're going to take it away from the V. V equals 5, and I is 1, so 5 minus 1 is, yep, he said 4. Now, if you were listening to Brady, then you, whoever I call next, is going to have an easier job because Brady gave you half your answer. Let's go to Adeline. Adeline, Brady just told us IV is 4. Okay, IV is 4. You have XIV. What does X equal? Yes, X equals 10. And we know what IV is. IV is what? 4. So what is 10 plus 4? 14. Nice job. You are going to do the rest on your own. Now, what if you have trouble? Have mommy just pause the video, look up here. That will help you think through a little bit. The other side has a ton of answers, but I don't want to give you the answers. I want you to show me that you can do it, okay? Because I know you can. Okay, we're going to talk about clocks. Okay, this is really important. So look at your paper. I'm going to get my big clock, and we're going to talk about some easy ways to remember how to move clocks forward and backward. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let me grab my clock. It should be right here behind. It is. Okay, and let's make sure the time is set to the correct time. Okay, on your paper, it says it is what time? Let's see. Ella, can you tell me what time it is? Okay, here's the deal. Are you listening? Ella's got it right. I know you do, but Ella, before I tell your answer, I want the people to think a little bit. When the hand, remember what hand is this? This is really important. This is the hour hand. This is the minute. Remember the word hour is short. The word minute is long. So the hour hand is between 2 numbers. Let's see how it's between it. We're going to take the lesser number. So when the hour hand is between 2 numbers, what are you going to take? The lesser or the smaller number. So Ella told us it was 9, and we're going to count by 5s. Ella got the answer right, Ella? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So on your paper, I want you to write the time, 9:25. Marco's family hiked a short distance on the Bright Angel Trail. Set the clocks and write the times for the family hike. So the first one is 9:25. Okay, 9:25. Now, listen close. This is really important. It says 1 hour later. Now, 1 hour later. We don't have to do very much work for this. Sometimes you all make this a really hard thing. Which hand is my hour hand? Is this my hour hand? Is this my hour hand? Yes, it is. So we already know that this is on 9, and we want to do 1 hour later. So what am I going to move it to? I'm moving just this hand. I'm not going all the way around the clock. I'm just moving the hour hand to the next hour, and the hour is what? 10. But Mrs. Kraft, you didn't put it between 10, right on the 10. No, because remember, we're doing betweens on this one. I have to do betweens on this one. So what time is it now? Let's see. Quinn, what time is it now? That's right. It is going to be 10:25. Nice job. And don't forget to draw your hands on your clock. 10:25. Okay, 10:25, and draw your hands. Okay, nice job. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we go. And this is going to be for Abel. Abel, it says this time, 1.5 hours later. 1.5 hours later. Mrs. Kraft doesn't like that. I have your names here laying here, and it almost fell off the table. Ah, that's why you'd have to fall and scream as you go. So, Abel, we're going to do with you 1 hour later. Okay, so 1 hour. What am I going to move, Abel? Am I moving this hand? No, that is the minute hand. I'm going to move, that's right, I'm going to move my hour hand. Am I going to take it all the way around the clock? No, because my minutes didn't change. It says 1.5 hours later. We're going to do that 1 hour first. So, Abel, where am I going to move this hand to? That's right. I am going to move it right here between the 12 and the 11. Remember, we started out here. Then we went to here. Now we're up here. Now we do have to move the minute hand. Now this time it says half hour. So let's go to Kendall. Kendall, how many minutes are in a half hour? Not is. How many minutes are in a half hour? 30 minutes. So this time we are going to move our minute hand and we're going to count by fives. Stop when we get to 30. So you ready, Kendall? Count with me. Are you ready? Everybody else can too. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, wait a minute. Let's get this hand back where it goes. Okay. Mrs. Kraft bumped it with her fingers. Okay. Okay. 30. So what time is it? What time is it now? Has it got to 12 o'clock yet? No, because remember we take the smaller number when it's in between. So what time is it, Kendall? That's right. It's going to be 11 and then to Mrs. Kraft, just go backwards. I went backwards. Let's go back a minute. 10:25. No, I think I did right. I did right. Mrs. Kraft's looking backwards on the computer. When I look at that computer screen, everything is backwards. The words are backwards. The numbers are backwards. You aren't backwards, though, okay? I'm glad I can see your face. Well, I wish I could see your face. I think this is right. Poor Mrs. Kraft. Yes, I'm right. Whoa, that was scary for a moment. Okay, so Kendall, what is the hour? The hour is 11. It's my lesser one. And then we have to count all the way around to the 11. And how many minutes is it? 11 what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So on your papers, you're going to write 11:55, and you're going to draw those hands, and they're almost going to be the same place. 11:55. 11:55, and they're almost at the same place. Wasn't that an easier way of doing it? Every time the hour changes, move just the hour hand. Now, we were doing later, so that makes a difference. If we're doing earlier, we're going to go the other direction, okay? Down here on the bottom, it says, people may take a burro ride to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Color 1/4 of the burros brown. Use your brown crayon, okay? So I want to do 1/4. So, Layla, can you tell me how I'm going to find 1/4? Let's count how many burros we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just so you know, for the record, Mrs. Kraft would not go on a burro ride. I would end up probably on my canoodle someplace down in the bottom of the canyon. Mrs. Kraft doesn't do well on horses or donkeys or anything. How would you do? Would you do a good job? Would it be a fun ride for you? Some of those places they go are very steep. Can you ride like that? Woo, that scare me. Scare me. But you're way braver than Mrs. Kraft. Okay, here we go. So, Layla, I need to find 1/4. How am I going to do that? I have 8. It's an even number. I'm going to divide everything in half first. Good job. So let's count over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 times 2 is 8. Or 4 plus 4 is 8. So we know that's an half. Good job. Calvin, what am I going to do now? I know what half is. I need to find 1/4. What am I going to do now? Right, I'm going to divide each of these groups in half. You do this too while I'm doing it, okay? So your burrows should look like that. Okay, do your burrows look like that? Yes, then you're going to color 2. Just pick one group of 2. Don't color one here and one there. That wouldn't be right. Pick one group and color it. Okay, look, you've got most of your math paper done. Let's go to the back. This is the fun part because we're doing our 3 times family. So easy and so great. Well, where's my eraser? Oh, back here. I'm going to erase all my lines so it doesn't get on my teacher book. Okay, are you ready? We are going to start, first of all, by talking about how when we have the 3 family, everything is divided in groups of 3. Behind me, I have some fish. Do you like my fish? You know, we've been talking about going camping and all that kind of stuff. I heard Gwen caught a bluegill all by herself the other day. She found her bamboo for the fishing pole. She found her own worms, dug up her own worms, hooked it on her hook, threw it in there, caught a bluegill, brought it out. She is one brave girl. How nice. Are you a good fisherman or a fisherwoman like Gwen is? I hope so. Well, that made me think about fish. So I thought today we'll use fish to divide into groups. If we're dividing the 3 family, we're dividing everything into 3s, okay? So let's use our blue for water. How many groups of 3s do I have? Okay, so you count with me. 1, 2, 3. There's one group of 3s. I'm going to put a circle around these guys. Whoop, that guy just took a nosedive. Blub, 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 blub. Let's put him back around, okay? Let's do another group of 3. Okay, one. Get around all these fins. Okay, there's 2 groups of 3. And then we have our last group of 3. So let's make a times problem. I have, how many fish are there all together? Can you count those? How many fish are there? While you count those, I'm going to grab my, whoop, I'm in your way. Sorry about that. Let me grab my little board. How many fish are there all together? You got the answer? How many groups are there? First of all, tell me how many groups there are. There are 3 groups. How many are in each group? 3. And so we have 3 times 3. Let's do it adding. We could count them like you just did. And I have 3 in this group, plus 3 in this group, plus 3 in this group. That is way longer to write and way more work. Who likes more work? Yeah, some people like more work. But let's do it multiplying, okay? We know how to count by 3s. You ready? Count with me. 3, 6, 9. That's right. 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's add it up and see if it's right. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. That's right. Since you're almost a 3rd grader, you want to do the shortcut way. You want to do the multiplication because you're way smart. That's right. You can do this. Okay, are you ready? We're going to say our 3 times family. Are you ready? I know you can do it. So we're going to do it with the answers today, even though we know how to count by 3s. What? You want to count by 3s first? Sure, we can do that. You ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Good job. Now let's do our family. We're going to say all the way across. Don't rush ahead of Mrs. Kraft, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. Hang with me. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 7, 3 times 9, Mrs. Kraft. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. And 3 times 12 equals 36. Guess what? You already know your 0 family. Any number times 0 equals 0. You already know your 1 family. 3 times 1 equals 3. You know your 2 family. 2 3s equal 6. We're learning our 3 family. That's pretty easy. Do you know your 5s? Yes. 5, 10, 15. Good job. You know your 5s. Do you know your 10s? Yes, you do. 10, 20, 30. Guess what? You actually know your 11s. Yes, you do. Because look right here. 3 times 1 equals what? 3. 3 times 1 again equals 3. Yes, any number you multiply by 11, you just put it 2 times. 33. You actually know your 12 family too. You are way ready for 3rd grade. This is exciting because what? Do you know 3 times 1? Yes, it's 3. Do you know 3 times 2? Yes, it's 6. 36. Look how smart you are, even without being with Mrs. Kraft. Look how smart you are. Okay, let's find the back of our paper. And we have all these walking sticks that can help us on the steep trails. Boy, if Mrs. Kraft was hiking in the Grand Canyon, I'd have to have lots of walking sticks to hold me up. So we have all these walking sticks so we can count. But guess what? I think we'll do okay today. We're going to fill in our family, our answers toward this 3 family. Are you ready to do it with me? We're going to go right down the list, and I know you can do it vertical or horizontal. Who wants vertical? Who wants horizontal? Good. Let's do vertical for a change today. So we're going to go down the list. Okay, are you ready? Okay, Calvin, what is 0 times 3? 0 times 3 is correct. 0. We just said any number times 0 equals 0. Lucas, what is 4 times 3 or 3 times 4? Count by 3s. 3. Sorry, Mrs. Krafts, it has a bad thumb. My thumb won't move very far. It just gets stuck. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Nice job, Lucas. We're going even higher. Hunter, 3 times 8. Oh, you say you'd like to have the answers? I think that'd be a nice thing to do today. Let's take these guys and put them right here. We cover up our fish. Let's take this one right here and put it on the bottom so he doesn't go anywhere. You can see the answers above or you can see them right below, okay? So right above me are the answers in case I'm holding up this paper and you can't see, okay? Feel free to use the answers today. Today is our first day doing this, okay? So we're down to Hunter. Hunter, 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. Can you find it up there, Hunter? Let's see, right there. Can you see it? Right above Mrs. Kraft's green line. That's right, 24. Uh-oh, we're going big time. Okay, Benjamin, 12 times 3. See right above my green line? Right there above the green line. What is it? 36. Nice job. And easy peasy lemon squeezy. Kellen gets the easy one. Kellen, 1 times 3 is, clear up here to the top, right above the green line. 3. Super simple. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Let's go to the next row. Madison, what is 3 times 5 or 5 times 3? 5, 10. That's right, 15. Here's one we don't know, okay, for the next one. Roman, what is 9 times 3? Let's go find the 9 right there above the green line. See the green line right there? 9 times 3 is, yes, it's 27. 2 times 3 is really simple, Brady. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. Adeline, 6 times 3 right above the green line. What does it say? 3, 6, 9, 12, 8, 15. And the next one is 18. That's right. Mrs. Kraft almost said the wrong answer. 10 times 3 is super simple. Ella, what is 10 times 3? Where is it? Where is it? 10 times 3, 10. Where's 10, 10, 10, 10? She didn't need it. She knows the answer because the answer is 30. 3 times 3. Wait, can we get that one? Let's see, Quinn. 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Clear up here. Where's it? Right there it is. 3 times 3. 3, 6. 9. You guys are way smart. 7 times 3 or 3 times 7. Abel. 7 times 3, 3 times 7. Can you find it? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That bad thumb of mine. Okay. 18. Yeah. And what's the next one? What are we doing? We're doing 7, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. Nice. And the last one, Kendall. Kendall, can you help me on this one? Kendall, what is 11 times 3? Let's go all the way down. Can you see right above the green line? Right there. What is 11 times 3? 11 times 3 is, 33. Before long, you will know these. The sad thing is, we only have 2 more days. 2 more days to practice this. But guess what? When we come back next year, you'll get it. You'll get it. You will think carefully. You'll be right on top of the money. Let's go down to number 2. Right here, number 2. You follow as I read. 1 yard is a group of 3 feet. We know that. 3 rulers fit on 1 yardstick. Write the number of feet by multiplying by 3. This will be easy. We got our times tables right up there. All we have to do is a little thinking. So, Layla, 1 yard equals how many feet? Yeah, Layla, we gave you the answer. I'll give you another one in a minute. Let's do 3 on that. We're going to go horizontal for this one, okay? Layla, if I have 3 yards, how many feet? So what's 3 times 3? Can you find 3 times 3 right above that green line up here? 3 times 3 is, it's 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay, let's go to the next one. Calvin, what is 9 yards? How many feet is 9 yards? So I'm doing 9 times 3, 3 times 9. I don't know my 9 family, but I'm learning my 3 family. So let's go down and find 9 right there above that green line. So what's the answer? 27. Good job. 6 times 3 is the next one. And Lucas, that's going to be you. Okay, Lucas, we're going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's right, right? See where Mrs. Kraft's line is right up there? 3 times 6 is 18. Wonderful work. Okay. I think Lucas and his daddy made a little stove. Maybe he can cook Mrs. Kraft some breakfast and show me a picture of me doing that. I'll take an egg over easy, please. Yeah, it's a tiny little stove that actually works. Okay, are you ready? It has fire on the inside. Yeah, his dad's with him. Let's do the next one. Hunter, what is 10 times 3? That's pretty easy. 10 times 3 is, we don't even need to look up there. You know that. It's 30. That's right. Good job. 30. And Caleb, you get the last one. Caleb, 0 times 3. 0 yards equals how many feet? If you don't have any yards, can you have any feet? Can't have any feet. So it's 0 again. Okay, nice work. 1 story problem and we are done. Okay, are you ready? This morning, there were some tents set up in the campground. In the afternoon, 17 more tents were set up. Now remember, in the morning, there were some tents set up. In the afternoon, 17 more tents were set up. Now, there are 47 tents set up. How many tents were at the campground this morning? Now, first of all, tents is our word that we're going to write down here for our label. It's in orange, okay? So you're going to write tents there. But stop and think. How many were set up this morning? We don't know that. Some of you might have written your number like this. Did you already write your number like this? But they want to know how many more. It says how many tents were at the campground this morning. We don't have that number. So we have got to do a subtracting problem. 17 was the first number you heard. 47 is the second number you heard, and that's usually the order they fall in. But can I do this problem right here? Can I do that? I can't do a lesser number on top. It has to be the greater number on top. So if you did that problem like that, erase just like Mrs. Kraft just did, and put 47 minus 17. That is a better way to do it. So now let's do our subtracting. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So on our paper on this side, we are going to put 47 minus 17 equals 30 tenths. So this morning, there were 30 tenths already set up. And in the afternoon, 17 more tenths went up. Then that gave us altogether 47. Did you get that? Good job. Oh, take a deep breath. You are amazing. I am so proud of you. I'm just glad that you're such good listeners and workers. And guess what? I hope you're not doing any complaining to your teacher. Not me. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Nana, Par, whoever it is. That's right, Mia. Whatever you call your grandma, or Mom or Dad, I hope that you are not giving them any problems. Make sure we only have 2 more days of math. Tomorrow is a test day, and then 1 more day after that. 2 more days of math. Can you hang in there? I think you can. Do an awesome job. Keep me proud of you. Keep me happy. Okay, I will talk to you later. Can't wait to see you at the end of the week. Bye, boys and girls.